Clothes diapering is a tapasya. Some amount of commitment and dedication is required for that. In this video, I am going to show the routine that I follow for my baby's clothes diaper. Welcome back to yet another video. My name is Vinida, so let's get into the topic. Starting with my baby's stash, which include 15 super bottoms diaper, which is of 7 covers and 8 UNO. When I started with the clothes diapering, I had other brands diapers as well, and later I moved to the super bottoms completely, and now I am not using any other brand, only this brand I am using. Whenever I buy any new clothes diaper, I will wash it, which is of regular wash and is recommended by the product owners as well. So before using, I make sure I wash it once at least. My baby is now almost 2 years old, so nowadays I am using diapers only during the noon nap and as well as night during sleep. So during afternoon for the noon nap, I use cover diaper mostly, but if I am out of cover diaper, definitely I'll use UNO, but mostly cover diaper is used. During the night, I use only UNO, which can stay up to 10 hours. During the travel, either of the cover or UNO, whichever is available, I will use. For afternoon nap, mostly I use cover diaper, but sometimes UNO also. He will sleep for like 2 hours, and once he is awake, will change, and soiled diaper is stored in a bucket for washing later. I used to rinse in plain water this diaper earlier, immediately after removing, which is actually recommended. But nowadays I am not doing that. However, I didn't face any issue because of that. If baby has pooped in it, I'll knock off the poop and then rinse it in plain water for sure. During night, I will use only UNO to stay up to 10 hours so that I don't have to change in between. Again, after removing, it will be going to the bucket for washing later. During traveling, I use it for like 3 hours or till it's full. Then after changing, I will rinse it in water if available, especially if he pooped, or I directly wrap it and store it in wet bag. So soiled diapers, I store it in a bucket and it is loosely covered. This bucket is kept inside bathroom, and during traveling I'll store it in a wet bag. I wash these diapers every alternate days. I'll do pre-wash using machine or hands, mostly hands, but if I'm not well, I'll do it with machine, and main wash obviously using machine. For pre-washing using hands, I will take 1 teaspoon of Surf Excel powder for each diaper. I don't usually soak them. In soap water, I will agitate the soakers very nicely. After that, I will rinse them in plain water also. We have IFB washing machine, in which I chose the option Express Wash for pre-washing the diapers. And it is only diapers, and then in main wash I take this setting, whereas all the clothes from all the family members will be added along with the diapers. Once in a month I do hot water wash for my diapers, and in the machine only I will do that, and the setting I select is this one, cotton 60 degrees Celsius. For drying, I have only balcony. I don't have access to sun at all, so it takes almost a day for drying. So during the night, if I am out of soakers especially, I'll put it under fan for drying, which helps actually. This is how I store the diapers. Soakers are assembled with shell and kept it ready for use. This helps for anybody else at home for using it instantly. Then I'll keep new ones at bottom so that all diapers get good rotation. Extra soakers are also kept aside, and make sure they are also getting good rotation following the same pattern. Hope the video was helpful, especially to the moms who are new into clothes diapering. If you want to support my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, enabling the bell icon so that you will get notifications for my future videos. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Take care. Bye.